Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -0.58%. This equates to an average loss of -0.29% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -12.02% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -15.35% to -1%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a 35.77% change over the next year, with a possible return between 35.77% and 72.98%. This corresponds to a price range between 212.41 and 270.63 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google's stock price down approximately 0.578% on Wednesday. The Google stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.578% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024. The stock dropped from $157.36 to $156.45. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.95%, ranging from a low of $155.96 to a high of $159. It has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of approximately 6.42% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as trading volume should reflect stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 15 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares exchanged, amounting to around $2.99 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $191.75, while the lowest was $120.21. Currently, the price sits at approximately 18.41%, or $35.30, below the 52-week high, and 93.61%, or $2,292.47, below the all-time high recorded on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. European Union regulators are set to seek feedback next week on Google's proposals to comply with new tech regulations aimed at ensuring fair competition. This is a critical step that could determine whether the search giant faces formal antitrust charges. This comes on the heels of another significant challenge, as a new antitrust trial targeting Google's digital advertising business is set to begin shortly, just 1 month after the company faced a landmark case loss. Additionally, reports indicate that Google's market share is slipping to competitors like ChatGPT, raising concerns about Alphabet's long-term competitive edge. An ongoing court battle involving Yelp also underscores the scrutiny against Google, which has been accused of prioritizing its own services over those of competitors in search results. These numerous legal challenges create uncertainty around Google's business practices and could lead to stricter regulations, impacting investor sentiment in the short term. Analysts have already noted a decline in Google's stock price pressure following a discouraging report from Morgan Stanley, which indicated potential government remedies that may affect profitability. In the long term, if Google fails to navigate these challenges effectively, it may face substantial operational changes or penalties, further affecting its market position and stock performance. Investors should keep a close eye on these developments as they unfold. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI gave Google an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research provided Google with a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Google a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham rated Google as a buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong buy designation. The following signals have been identified for Google. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as the MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Currently, the stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a generally negative outlook. Additionally, there is a broad sell signal due to the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected around $161.81 and $166.59. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 20th, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 6.42%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk as volume generally follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 1 day ago. Short-term moving average signaled a sell 7 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has suggested a buy signal 31 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 16 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, this stock exhibits controlled movements, and due to its strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.04, which represents a change of 1.95%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 2.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.83. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $159.25. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to hold off until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. It is important to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such circumstances. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of September, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuner executed an insider sale of 682 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of August, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuner executed an insider purchase of 1,365 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of August, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuner also executed an insider sale of 1,365 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, O'Toole Amy Thuner conducted another insider sale of 1,392 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 21st of August, 2024, Pichai Sundar executed an insider sale of 16,211 shares of Class C capital stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 8.482. In total, insiders acquired 617,327 shares and sold 752,994 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate its performance to remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of September, we expect Google to open higher by approximately 687/10,000ths and begin trading at $157.14. We remind you that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.